Boy. Whew, we've had some rain. He's a good boy. All right, where do you see those ripples? That's where there is no bridge. Go this way, buddy. And that, when you're looking at that from a car, that means don't cross. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy. Right now, this is only easy. Good boy. Oh, that's scary. What a good boy. That's only passable by horse. Good boy. Wow, they're gonna have to do some work. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. You were such a good boy. What a good guy. Yes. Nope, look at that. Somebody came down the road. Look at that crick. So, it's got the wrong bumps. Don't go there.